Germo. We are an Italian company that has been formulating, testing and producing disinfectants, detergents and cosmetics since 1956. Our logo is an armed warrior with a spear and shield, which embodies our slogan, Prevention and Health. Our business grew up during the economic boom of the post-war period, producing disinfectant products for the hospital sector. In the 1970s, pharmacies introduced our first household disinfectants. Since then, we have been continuing research and development of new products. Today, we are one of the benchmark suppliers for public and private hospitals, and in all other sectors where instruments and surfaces need to be sterilized and disinfected. We have transferred our experience from the hospital sector to household detergents and disinfectants. Based in a strategic location near Milan, our production process starts with the careful selection of raw materials. These pass from storage tanks to the mixers, where the ingredients are processed. Water plays a key role in the whole process. It is filtered in our reverse osmosis system and kept at a controlled temperature to guarantee its microbiological purity. After having checked that the formulation follows the set parameters, the mixtures obtained pass through a dense network of stainless steel pipes and arrive at the automated bottling lines for the packaging of the final product. Our production process is 100% sustainable, because what is not used is recycled or properly disposed of. Energy is supplied by our photovoltaic system. Formulas are analyzed and designed to use components of vegetable origin wherever possible. Inside our factory, the air is filtered by a specifically designed system. It is a controlled environment that keeps the air clean and free from pollutants outside. Our main focus is research. More and more companies are asking us for customized formulas designed for specific situations. All our products are proven to be effective, and this is verified by tests performed in accredited laboratories. Each formulation is constantly updated and adapted to meet European requirements. High levels of quality, large production capacity, and exacting professional standards ensure that the value embodied by our slogan, Prevention and Health, goes from strength to strength.